Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a ViewMaster text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert a ViewMaster text box. Go to the Insert menu. Then we can see here not available this option. Now we go to the Microsoft Word document and create a blank page. Then go to the Insert menu, click Text Box drop down menu. Then go to some down and we can see here many text box. Now we select the ViewMaster text box. Now I select this. Then press Ctrl A on our keyboard to select the all text box. Then press Ctrl C to copy. Then go back the publisher and press Ctrl V to paste this. Now we can see we insert a ViewMaster text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.